try you get one book and no.
No, I put my son in there.
Hi. Thanks so much for coming out to Nigeria. You're very welcome. Please come and take a seat. The Minister of Health will be with us in a couple of minutes, but he wanted me to start briefing you. He has to go to the National Council for Health in 2 hours, and he needs to take with him some recommendations over what we should do in Nigeria about ongoing problems of child and maternal mortality. He's actually given us this, which is the Millennium Development Goals Report 2010. What it says is over the last 5 years, there have been real successes in lowering rates of child and maternal mortality, but there are ongoing problems of basic health infrastructure like primary health centres, the cold chain, tertiary institutions, etc. Minister.
Whoa. You're here. I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting.
No, it's all set.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
In a few hours from now, I'll be going in for the National Council on Health meeting. I need 5 recommendations on the reduction of maternal and child mortality rate in Nigeria.
Okay, sir. We'll give it our best shot. Let's go.
Thank you.